the virtue of the powers vested in me as the national chairperson of the association, I would like to declare the following branches as officially launched branches of the NaTeSA Student Association: University of Cape Town, University of Western Cape, Cape Peninsula University, Stellenbosch University. From the 6th of August 2023 at 12:49, these 4 branches will be fully regarded as official branches of our vibrant association. We wish them prosperity, and may Lord uNyazi Lwezulu fill them with passion and the energy to achieve the common goals of the formation of our association. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu.